Welcome to 2040 Circula De Hacienda. Located in the estate section of the Foothill subdivision, this mountaintop residence was designed to optimize lake, mountain, and city light views from every room. Over 2.5 years in the build process has created one of the most opulent residences ever constructed in Lake Havasu. The main residence features over 3,600 square feet of livable space. Everything in the kitchen is ultra custom, including the La Curno range, porcelain countertops, and full porcelain backsplash, including custom mirror projects in every direction. Everything in the home was designed to optimize the view. Floor-to-ceiling glass across the entire back of the house. All of the surfaces were imported from Italy or Portugal and installed by artisan craftsmen. The amenities list goes on forever. Custom cabinetry, custom plumbing. All guest bedrooms include in-suite bathrooms with full showers. Master suite includes a Da Vinci Island fireplace, custom mirror finishes across the fascia of that fireplace, with porcelain finishes and three-dimensional tile, real rain panels, and a giant view window so that you can enjoy a view of the lake while you're showering. Everywhere you look is another amenity, and over the top, dial it up to 10 in every room. One of the unique features of Circula De Hacienda is its mountaintop perch cut into the side of one of the largest views in Lake Havasu City. The auxiliary building features over 2,600 square feet of climate-controlled area. You will not find another residence like 2040 Circula De Hacienda. If you're interested in viewing 2040 Circula De Hacienda, the property is exclusively offered by Linda Donovan of Remax by the Lake.